There you can see dead ducks. These are the ducks they just killed. These are the ducks they shot. It's disgusting. They're shooting now. Shooting now, killing ducks. Shooting at. There's one. Went right down. Just hit the water, these disgusting people. He's flopping around in the water. They just shot him. You can see him flopping around. How disgusting is that? There's a duck dying right in front of us because of these sickos. Sickos. Look at these sick people. They're probably the same people who stormed the Capitol. These are the type of people.
How did you get in here?
I don't have to answer to you.
Well, this is private property. I guess I just don't know how you got in here.
Yeah, I don't have to answer to you. What you're doing here is utterly disgusting. There's a duck.
Talk to the city about it.
I will talk to the city. This is going to the media. This is going to the media. I don't care.
Well,
I don't care if it's in your mind legal.
Yeah.
These are not your animals. You don't get the choice whether they live or die.
Oh.
Yeah.
I would like to know how you got in here.
I'm not answering to you. I answer to myself and not a gross old man. I mean, how do you live with yourself? Like, how do you sleep at night, dude? It's disgusting. There's the bird dead on the water. They get them in the air while they're flying. That's what they're doing. So you can see the bodies. And the men have been very threatening to us women because they're all compensating for something, apparently. Look at that. I mean, what is the point? What is the point? You get a few birds? What is the point? We're going to follow you. All right, so now they're on the move. They're going to go to the other side. I hear them talking about it. They're going to the other side. They're going to the other side.
Laughing at us?